In this video from Casio Help, we're taking a quick look at using preset sales department buttons on the SR-S4000 register. So the machine has 30 buttons which are sales departments, which are normally left open. So if you've got an open department, you simply type in the price and assign it to your department. With preset departments it works slightly differently. You've already programmed the description and the price, so you simply press the button and the item and price are pre-programmed. This is useful if you've sold lots of an item. You can simply press the button. You can also do a multiply sale, so if you sold 15 lots of your department 2, you simply type in 15, then the multiply button, and then hit the department button that you've sold lots of. So this is particularly useful perhaps if you're using the machine in a kiosk or a hospitality venue when you've got a limited menu and you're looking to have lots of preset item sales and you're looking to use them as quickly as possible. You can still use your open departments, so simply 199 into an open sales department will also work. Then, as with all sales, it's subtotal, and then how you cash the sale off depends on the method of payment. So if they're paying by credit card, you'd simply hit the CH button now. If they're handed over cash, then it's best practice to type in the amount of money without pressing the decimal point and then hit your cash button here. The reason being is that the change is displayed on the screen and also on the receipt if you're having one print out. For more information on using the SR-S4000 and other Casio cash registers, you can click on the video links appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.